This T-fal Initiative's ceramic nonstick fry pan set is a great option for your kitchen. It includes 8.5-inch and 10.5-inch fry pans. These pans boast a ceramic nonstick surface. This surface helps food slide off easily. So, cooking eggs or delicate fish becomes a simple task. Cleaning up is also a breeze. You will spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. The T-fal Initiative's ceramic nonstick fry pan set is also oven safe. You can use these pans in the oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This adds to their versatility in the kitchen. You can start a dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven. This is a handy feature for recipes that require both cooking methods. The gray color of the pans is neutral. Therefore, they should fit well with most kitchen decor. For those mindful of their health, the ceramic nonstick coating is a good option. It allows for cooking with less oils. This can be a significant pinch for your daily fat intake. While not scientifically proven to be the only healthy way, reducing added fats is often recommended. The T-fal Initiative's ceramic nonstick fry pan set offers good value for your money. It's a solid choice in the market for everyday cooking needs across the country. Pros: nonstick surface, easy food release, simple to clean, oven safe to 350 F, 2 useful sizes. Good for everyday use, likely affordable price, ceramic coating, maybe PTFE free, even heat. Base cons: nonstick may wear off, not for metal tools, handles can get hot, uneven heating possible. Ceramic can lose slickness, may scratch easily, lighter weight might warp, lower oven safe temp. Hand wash recommended, durability could be better features. Nonstick surface, ceramic coating, fry pan set 8.5-inch size 10.5-inch size, oven safe. Up to 350 F, cookware type, pots and pans, gray color. This T-fal Initiative's fry pan set has 2 pans. One is 8.5 inches and the other is 10.5 inches. They are gray and have a non-stick ceramic coating, which means food won't stick easily. These pans can also be used in the oven at temperatures up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. They are a type of cookware, specifically fry pans, which are useful for cooking many different foods. This T-fal Initiative's fry pan set includes 2 useful sizes, 8.5 and 10.5 inches, with a non-stick ceramic surface that makes food easy to release and the pans simple to clean. These gray pans are oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and are good for everyday cooking. Likely at an affordable price. And may be free of PTFE. They feature an even heat base. But the non-stick coating might wear off over time. And they should not be used with metal tools as they may scratch easily. The handles can get hot, and uneven heating is possible. Also, the ceramic can lose its slickness, and the lighter weight might lead to warping. Hand washing is recommended, suggesting the durability might not be the best.